Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your automotive advisor here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And this video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 or 2022 Honda Insight EX. I'm going to show you guys how to customize your vehicle settings so everything's set the way you want. So when you leave the lot at the dealership, you're set for success. All you have to do is show off your car, all right? Well, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. If you guys are in the market, here's my contact information. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl, all right? Now let's go customize your vehicle settings right now. All right, so here we are right inside the Honda Insight at the moment. We're at the home screen, as you guys can clearly see on the touch screen. We're gonna select settings, and down from settings, we're coming down to vehicle settings. So we're gonna select vehicle. Now we're gonna start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. So the first thing that's gonna pop up is gonna be a tire pressure monitoring system calibration. For some additional information, just check out my other video right up here. Click that, it'll take you around. It talks about the tire pressure. All right, now hit calibrate just to reset that, and then now you're set for success, all right? Now over here, you got your driver's assist system set up. This is where all of your Honda sensing features are things that I kind of, you know, similar kind of concept right in there for you. First thing that's gonna pop up is your blind spot info. So your blind spot information system is gonna be those little indicators on the side mirrors, right? So you can customize your blind spot, and that's what we're doing right now. So you have a couple of options that you can select. So let's say you're driving 20 miles an hour or faster, is when the system will be activated, when you can use it, when it's available. You can do audible and a visual, or you can do the visual, all right? So the visual means is if someone's in your blind spot, you're going the proper speed, it lights up. Now if you do the audible and the visual, is when you're driving down the road, someone's in your blind spot, and then you have your turning indicator on, then it will beep at you. It gives you the audible to let you know, hey, don't turn, someone's in your blind spot, all right? I like that, so I'm gonna keep it there. Next option is gonna be a traffic sign recognition system. So you simply can have that small icon up there or not have it up there. So simply on or off. As you're driving down the road, it catches the speed limit sign. I'm going to move this tripod. You'll find it right up here in the driver's interface. All right, it's going to display like 30 miles an hour speed limit sign. Boom. Just takes a photo of it and put it right up there. You know, that's what it looks like at least. All right, so I'm going to keep that on. We'll save that. You got your forward collision warning distance. You can customize the 3 different stages on the distance when it's going to warn you for those 3 stages. All right, so what I mean by that is as you're, there goes the tripod, as you're driving down the road, it simply senses you're going to hit an object, a car. At what distance do you want to start to do its 3 stages to warn you for your safety? All right, Honda has it set to normal, so I'm going to keep it on normal. You may refer to your owner's manual to know the exact distance on those. All right, now as we're customizing this, guys, once again, there's no right or wrong answer. It just comes down to your personal preference or your driving habits, okay? Now we have your lane keeping assist, beep. Simply when you have your lane keep assist on between 45 and 90 miles an hour, when you go out of your lane, whoop, there we go, out of the lane, it's gonna beep as it brings you back, okay? So I like that, I like all the beeps. Maybe you don't. But when we're going on a test drive, I want everyone to experience that so they can make that decision, all right? You got your road departure mitigation right here. So simply you can customize the sensitivity of your road departure or just have it set to warning only so it won't bring you back, all right? I'm gonna keep it on normal. You have your driver's attention monitor. So the car has a way of detecting when you're not paying attention on the road, or if you're driving is really terrible that you should take a break because you know you've been on the road for a while, just needs to pull over, take a nap, whatever the case may be. I want the car to do everything in its power to alert me, say, hey, Chris, pull over. You know what I mean? So my kids, Zoe or Lucy or Cameron, they don't have to yell at me. So here we go, we're set. It's gonna do a throttle, it's gonna do a little alert, all that stuff, all right? So now that's everything underneath your driver's assist system set up. We're gonna hit the back button, we're gonna come here to the meter setup, and we're gonna start from the top and work our way down to the bottom once again. So you have your language, those 3 options. I'll stick with the one that I know. Excuse me. And then we have your outside temperature gauge right here. You can fine tune your temperature gauge. It's right down here as I move this tripod. You see right there, 92 degrees already today. I'm gonna let you guys decide if you want to fine tune that. You have a 5-degree swing either way, so we'll keep it as the default. You have your adjusted alarm volume. So pretty much, you know, like your turning indicators when the door is open, system, stuff like that. You can change how loud these things are going to be. So I'm going to keep it on medium. You get your reverse alert tone. So when you put the car into reverse, gives you a little ding, lets you kind of know, hey, it's in reverse, creates a little humming noise, probably on the exterior if the hybrid system's on, to let people know, hey, you got a quiet vehicle around, so it's going to produce some noise. I'm going to keep that on. Why not? Now over here we got your panel that you can re-customize. So what that is going to be, move this tripod. Oh, I can't change it, but it's going to be all right here on that stuff. I'll thumb through that here for you guys, or you can check out my walk around video. But let's say I don't want all of this stuff, maybe I don't use all this stuff and I don't need it. Over here on the driver's interface, I can reorganize this, or I can take some things off and clean it up a little bit, all right? So that's what that is. We'll hit the back button, scroll down, see what else is down here. We got your fuel efficiency backlight, all right? So it pretty much is a visual coaching for your driving. As we move this tripod once again, you see this white light that's right around here. It changes colors from white to green when you're being fuel efficient, then green to white when you're not, all right? So it's like a visual coach. It's gonna be kind of nice. I don't see any harm having that on, so I'll just keep it on. You got trip A and trip B reset. You got 3 options to have it automatically reset by itself, or you can just do it whenever you want. And then we have your speed and distance right there. I'll keep it at miles just because we're in Iowa. Now that's everything underneath your meter setup. You come to your keyless access setup. Start from the top, you got your door unlock mode. So let's say I have the key fob with me in my pocket as I do right now. I'll walk up to the car, put my hand in the handle, right? Do I want all doors unlocked, or do I just want the driver's side door? Since it's just me, I'll probably just do driver's side door only. If I do occasionally take someone along with me, I'll probably hit the unlock, or just hit unlock on the key fob and how doors unlock from there. Now, when you put your hand in the handle, there is going to be a delay, by the way, okay? It's not a grab and yank, it's a grab, wait a split second, a moment, and then you can open up. So with that being said, when the doors lock or unlock, I want the lights to flash to let my passengers know, myself know, that hey, the door is unlocked. You simply have that on or off. Now the same thing down here for your smart entry beep, except if the lights flash, is going to be a beep when it locks or unlocks, all right? I like that. There we go. You can have your remote start system. Remote start comes standard, but for some reason on God's green earth, you want to disable that so you can't use that function at all. You can. This is where you turn that off at, all right? So right now I'm going to keep it on so I can show everyone how to use a remote start when we come out to look at the vehicle. Now that's everything underneath your keyless access setup. We're going to back up, come right down here to lighting setup. We'll start from the top, work our way down. We have auto light sensitivity. So when you have your headlights on auto, right, over here, and then it's going to be simply when they would turn on or off, all right, between your day and nighttime transparency levels. So I'm going to keep it on mid. You have your auto interior light illumination. So I got my headlights on auto. And nighttime comes, boom. You know, a lot of times your interior lights kind of dimmer when you're using your headlights and stuff like that. Just because you would naturally be in a darker situation. Well, you can change that. For some reason, if I can't see that, or if I just want everything brighter, this is where you'll change that at, okay? Max means more brightness. You got your auto headlight on with wipers. So once again, my lights are set to auto. I turn on my wipers, boom, headlights come right on. Doesn't matter what time of day or night it is. All right, so we have your auto headlight off timer. This is really going to come down to your driving habits. So let's say if you do drive a lot during nighttime and you go to work late at night, or you get off work late at night. Well, I guess it doesn't matter when you get off work. It's just matter when you arrive. Okay, sorry. So let's say I arrive up here to the dealership late at night, and I have a good distance to walk, and it's pretty dark. I can change on X amount of time my headlights will turn off. All right, so maybe 30 seconds give me plenty of time to get to the dealership or to home or whatever. Maybe I park in the garage, and 15 seconds is more than plenty. Interior light dimming time. pretty much when you want your interior lights to turn off. All right? 15, 30, or 60 seconds. Now that's everything underneath there. I don't think I can over-explain that anymore. We'll back up, come right down. You got your door and window set up. All right, we'll start from the top to the auto door lock. We just got in the car. We're about to drive off to show off your new car to your new friends and family. All right, when do you want your doors to lock? With speed, when you shift from park to reverse or drive or whatever, or have it off, and you simply hit the lock button. Select what works, and then hit save. You have a key and remote unlock mode. So this is when you hit unlock for the very first time on your key fob, because if you hit it twice, unlock, all doors automatically unlock. With that being said, about 95% of my customers say, hey, we'll just keep it on the driver's side only. So I hit it once, perfect, that door is unlocked. Hit it twice, all doors. Keyless lock answer back. So when you lock it and unlock it, stuff like that, I'm assuming you want it to answer back to you, so it gives you an audible so you know that it worked. Now we're going to have your security relock timer. All right, so I hit unlock on the key fob. All right, in X amount of time, Lucy has to come out here. My daughter, my middle child, she has to come out and open up a door in X amount of time. If she doesn't, guess what? Boom, the door is locked on her, and then she has to come in and say, Dad, you know what I mean? Unlock the darn door. Probably, you know, with her rolling her eyes at me. So, I'm going to set it at 60 seconds just because I know the kids aren't as fast as we are. You have your auto door unlock, excuse me. So simply when you, let's say you arrive home or you got done doing some errands, maybe taking the kids off, whatever you're doing for your daily driving, when do you want your doors to unlock? All right. I like the first one selected. All right. Especially for my wife's CRV, that's the way we have it set up. So she's out there driving around, taking the kids off to, you know, to school and other activities. She can shut off the car, can put it to park, everything, mind her surroundings for her and the kids' safety, and then open up the door, all doors unlocked. Then the 5-year-old doesn't jump out and do something crazy, all right? Or you can shift to park. Maybe your kids are a lot older than mine. Maybe it's just you guys from there, all right? What works best for you? We're gonna scroll down. Last thing in here is gonna be the Walkway auto lock. I'm gonna turn this on. I like this because let's say we get done doing a test drive, boom, walk away with the key fob, all right? Get 10 feet away, doors automatically lock. Coming into work, running some errands, walk away with the key fob, doors are locked. The only bad thing I can think about this is that I keep my car in the garage. I have a key hook inside by the front door because I will misplace my keys. I cannot get in and out of the car when it's in the garage. The key fob has to be close by. That's the only negative thing I can think about this, all right? Hey, I want to make sure the car is locked when I walk away for this video. All right, now that's everything underneath door and window setup. The last thing right here is going to be your maintenance, oil changes, other services that may be due. It's all going to be right here for you, okay? All right, so now that's everything underneath your settings and vehicle settings. Let's go check out some more stuff here on the touch screen. All right, so here we are. We're going to touch base about some other common questions about the touchscreen itself that I've been getting on the YouTube channel. One of the things is to say, Chris, so as you're driving during nighttime, this screen kind of bugs me. Can I change the brightness? Can I shut it off? Well, you can. You got this screen, this button right here. Click and hold that for a few seconds. Boom, it's off. All right, to turn it back on, you just randomly hit a button. There we go. You can also just tap it, and then you can adjust the brightness from there. Now another thing, let's say my time's wrong. Right now it is correct, but it wasn't a moment ago. We'll hit settings, come down to day and time, time zone, and then we're here in Iowa, so it's Central Time. And you just select what you want from there. And there we go. Now let's talk about your radio here quick. Right there, you have all these radio options. You can change your sources, stuff from there. You get 3 months of satellite radio for free. With satellite radio, it's going to be Sirius XM. It is a paid subscription, so if you want to continue that or move your current subscription over to your new car, you have to contact them, all right? Now, to save your radio stations, it's going to be pretty nice and easy. Let's say you find a radio station that you like to listen to, or you haven't yet, you just hit the tune button, and I don't know, let's just do a little bit of rock and roll here. There you go. So we found a radio station, right? Just click and hold, saved. Now you will go up to 12 FM stations with AM. It's gonna be the same way to save. It's just you get 6 stations, all right? Give you guys a quick little sneak peek here on a couple other charts. Kind of show you where your power is coming from. So right now the engine charges the battery. You'll see the battery drive the wheels. You see it kind of teeter top back and forth. Shows you your current fuel economy, what you can get for a range. Climate control is going to be pretty easy and straightforward. As you guys can see from here, you get your different modes. Got Autobahn, temperature, fan, right there. I don't know what else to talk about for you guys. Connecting your phone, walks you right through it. Check out my other video right up here for that, all right? Guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful to set you up for success for your awesome new Honda Insight. If not, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below or go check out my other video that walks around this car to show you all the cool standard features and functions that you have in the EX Honda Insight, all right? Well, thanks again, guys, for your support and thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.